In this video, I'll show you how to fix HDMI issues on PS4 step by step. Step 1. Check the HDMI cable. Make sure it's not loose or damaged. Try switching ends or using another HDMI cable to rule out a faulty one. Step 2. Test the HDMI port on your TV. Plug the cable into a different port or even another TV to confirm if the issue is with your console or the display. Step 3. Boot your PS4 into safe mode. Turn off the console completely, then hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. From there, select Change Resolution to reset your display settings. Step 4. Clean the HDMI port on your PS4. Dust or bent pins inside the port can cause connection problems. Use a flashlight to inspect carefully, clean if needed. Step 5. Update system software. Step 6. Check for hardware damage. If the HDMI port itself looks loose or broken, it may require professional repair or replacement. And that's it. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix most HDMI issues on your PS4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.